Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make this easy crepe paper flower. For this you will need crepe paper, scissors, flower wire, glue and green tape. First step is to take the crepe paper with measurement 2 cm by 6 cm. Cut both the edges in a round shape using scissors. Now twist the crepe paper in the center as shown. Be gentle so that you don't tear the paper. Now take the flower wire and tie a knot in the center of the petals as shown. So likewise make about 10 flower petals like this. Now take the green tape and wrap around the flower wire. So as you wrap, keep adding the flower petals one by one to the wire. Now to add leaf, take a green crepe paper and cut as a leaf shape and glue to the stem. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try this and let me know your feedback and comments. Also, click the subscribe button to be updated with my latest video. Thank you for watching.